Assalamualaikum. My name is Widi Mutakin. I am an entrepreneur and also an academic lecturer in computer graphics disciplines. If you want to learn 3D from zero, meaning no prior experience needed at all, then you've come to the right place. This course will teach you the fundamentals of 3D skills using Blender 2.8 or above. The curriculum in this course is carefully designed so that students can learn gradually from the easiest lesson to the more advanced lessons seamlessly. After completing this course, you should be able to model a robot like this, add materials to it, create lights, and then render it using the Eevee rendering engine. You are going to learn so many things in this course. They are just too many to cover in this short introduction video. But just for a quick summary, the course is divided into 4 parts. In the first part, we'll cover the essentials such as understanding how Blender's UI works, different techniques of viewport navigation, learn basic object operations, then basic transformation, different types of interaction modes, and how to do basic mesh editing. In the second part, we'll focus on look development techniques. We'll cover in depth each viewport shading modes available in Blender. Learn about different rendering engines. Learn how to create and use materials, basic CG concepts such as color models, bit depth, and color codes. Learn how to create and control the camera object. Learn about the surface smooth shading and how to control it, and how to use screen space reflection inside Eevee. In the third part, we'll focus on 3D modeling skills. We will cover advanced transformation techniques. Then, learn about the pivot point and how to control it. Learn different selection techniques. Learn about inset, extrude, and bevel. Then, we will cover knife and bisect tools. Learn how to add loop cuts, how to patch holes using different methods. Learn the basics of modifiers and how to use the mirror modifier. Learn the common 3D modeling mistakes and how to avoid them, understanding normal direction, and how to create manifold geometry. Learn point-to-point modeling techniques, and so much more. There are many hands-on projects in this course, such as creating this custom monkey head model using just the basic mesh editing techniques, and then add materials to it. Learn to model this kindergarten chair. Create vases like this using different approaches. Create a Roman column like this one. Create a toy train model by leveraging the snapping feature in Blender. Then model a coffee table like this one. Finally, in the fourth part of this course, we will do the final hands-on project, which is making this robot. We are going to make use of most of the things that we've learned previously, but also learn new things along the way, such as how to sketch in 3D using the point-to-point modeling techniques combined with the skin modifier. Then, we'll cover the basics of the grease pencil, so we can draw sketches directly inside Blender. Then, we will cover special movement operations such as fatten and shrink, and also sliding vertices or edges. We will also be covering the basics of the curved objects in Blender, and how to use it to create the snake-like arm of the robot. Finally, we will cover how to create global illumination in Eevee using the irradiance volume. Inshallah, you'll be able to create robots like this or any 3D models at this level of complexity if you follow the course step by step in order. So join now and take your first step into the world of 3D using Blender. Have fun learning. Wassalamualaikum.